Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gambler Show. And today we will unleash a kits, and these are some new bootleg kits. So disclaimer, these are bootleg. So those person who doesn't like bootlegs, you can go and you can find some other videos of mine, which is Bandai, and some other kits which is not a third-party kit or a bootleg. So you can go scroll down on my Gunpla playlist right there, and some of my toy products reviews also. You can go there on my playlist. Okay, but yeah, if you want to know this video, or you want video, if you not want to know these kits right here on this parcel or this package, then stay with me and let's go. Let's go and let's open or unleash this kit with this little but still rusty and still trusty cutter. Let's go and let's unleash. Go! Okay, so wow, the dents, man. Okay, I've ordered this from overseas. I think it's from China. Yeah, and yeah, it's bootleg, and they do something very horrible on the kits, on the backs of the kits, which they put the tapes or the packaging tapes here on the box of the kit itself. Okay, so there's no other form of protection, just this bubble wrap right here, and yeah, not so good. So the dents are very horrible, but yeah, still it's a bootleg, but still I want to know if the parts are okay. And whoa, so right here there's something who's been parts that has been detached from the runners. And yeah, I know these are bootlegs, the box is not so important, but still it shows the sellers discipline on how and also the quality of their packaging. Yeah, not so good, but yeah, I hope the parts are okay. So we'll check the parts inside after I introduce the kits. Okay, so now we have here first your this is your HG-JAT-04 Windham Fighter Neo Roanoke Custom. I don't know what is that. What is that? Your Neo Roanoke Custom. As I know, there is already a Windham, which is in a blue color. I know there's already a Bandai, but yeah, I saw the Windham in bootleg, and I think, and I saw some other reviews already that the Windham bootleg is okay. Yeah, maybe, but yeah, it's a bootleg, so expect the unexpected also. Yeah, don't expect too much on bootlegs because there will be problems. No explanation. There will be problems, and there will be problems, especially the stickers. So we have here first our Windham Fighter in a different color. It's like a violet, green, white, black color. Very I can say that it's a little bit weird for the color combination, but yeah, it works. It works, especially the green one. So let me check the parts if they're okay. And yeah, there's something that has been detached already, but still, yeah, I think all of the parts here are okay. Whoa! And wow! The instruction manual is very small, man. It's very small, but yeah, I can still read it. No, I'm not reading the manual. I'm just following the figures and following the diagram right here. But yeah, it's very small. Not your typical instruction manual on Bandai. Yeah, but the parts, yeah, they're okay. But there is a part already that has been detached. Being a bootleg, the back part of the parts, it's, yeah, you can really see it's bootleg. And there's some mold marks also at the front part, but still, it works. It does the job as a Windham Fighter Neo Roanoke Custom. So yeah, let's see. I don't know what is the brand of this one, but it has this kind of X right here. Yeah. So that's it. That's our first one, the Wyndham. Okay. So next one we have here this is one of also of the new releases of the bootleg community, and we have here your this is your MS-06R-1A Zaku 2 high mobility type, and this is the axe. It's like the axe type. Yeah. And it has a this is from the Gundam the Origin, or the GTO, the Gundam the Origin series, which it's like a not a remaster, but it's a really a new kind of Gundam story on the UC universe. And then we have here the TriStar. This is the TriStar Zaku. They are 3 kinds of Zakus here. Zaku 2, which is the first one is the axe, and then it has the cannon, which are also already made a pre-order of that. So yeah, we have heard of the cannon. It's not the cannon, it's the axe. And yeah, it's very nice that it shows that it has an effect parts right there. So I will check first at the inside part, because there's also some dents on it. And yeah, before I open, you can see that there is this packaging right there, packaging tapes that they've used. So maybe it will damage the box if it's not. Yeah, if so I just decided that I will just cut the packaging, because yeah, it's not good that they attach the packaging for the bubble wrap on the backs of the kit itself. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, so we have that standard bootleg stand, but yeah, I want to know if there is that effect parts. So yeah, okay, and very nice, they have it. And the instructional manual is big. It's the usual instructional manual size. So yeah, nice. Okay, and in a small box they put all of the parts of the TriStar Zaku. So maybe I will just it will be like kind of building. I already have the Gundam the Origin Charged Zaku. Yeah, so I think it's like that kind of build. Yeah, it's like that kind of experience of build, because the changes for this one is just the color and also the weapons. But still, the Charged Zaku to Gundam the Origin kit right here is still on my Backpack Paradise. So yeah, I didn't have any experience on the Zaku 2 of the Gundam the Origin kits. Okay, and also have Gundam the Origin RX-78-2 Gundam, which is that it has that cannon at the back, but still a backlog on my Backpack Paradise. And last here is your this is your Shia Quanta. Yep. And yeah, as you can see, yeah, I know the picture on the box. It's not rated SPG. Okay. And yeah, I just really want to have the original color of the Shia Quanta, which is the green and the blue blades, which is this one. Yep, that's it. It has the pink one, and now it has also the green one with the orange effect parts. But yeah, I don't like it. Maybe the pink I will have it next time, but it's not yet a priority. So yeah, maybe I will have that next time. And I can see on the bootleg community it still have so many units remains on Shopee, so I will not just go buy freaking buying it immediately. So yeah, I just have the original, because the original here of the Shia Quanta, which is as I know, Shia Quanta is on the special movie of the Bell Divers Try, which we see already that I forgot the name of the antagonist. Scramble Gundam, yeah, that's the term of the antagonist. Drivers Try, yeah, that's the movie. Okay, Island War, is that correct? Yeah. So that's our unleashing for today. We have 3 kits right here. Wow, it's another 3 kits of unleashing. We have, okay, it's the Shia Quanta, the high mobility type Zaku 2, which has the axe, and also your Wyndham in a different color, or what you call the Neo Roanoke custom. So I will have a comparison of the Windom, which are both bootlegs, but in different colors next time. And both of these kits, or yeah, these 3 kits will have an unboxing, a live build, which I already done here on my channel, because I've decided if it's a bootleg, I will just have a live build, not a speed build, because it's very hard to have a speed build with bootlegs. Yeah, I've already experienced that, and it's not so good. It really takes time to do it, because yeah, the fitting issues, it's very issue. It's an issue, a fitting issue, which is an issue. Okay, so yeah, after the live build, we'll have a quick look. Yep, and then the most important part is the full review of these kits. So that's it, guys. That's our unleashing for today. And yeah, I'm recording this already at 2 a.m. in the morning. 2 a.m. then morning. Yeah, in 2 a.m. So yeah, I need to rest. And yeah, that's it. And if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gablover Show signing off. That's it. So many backlogs again, going to Backlog Paradise. I don't know what will I do to this Backlog Paradise and what will I build next. But yeah, let's go. Let's build some kits. Let's go. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.